Hey everyone, Lindsey here, back with the very first episode of Weekly Whimsy in 2024. I hope everyone had an amazing holiday. Please let me know what you got up to in the comments down below. In the meantime, we will be diving into the latest in Web3 innovations. So with that, let's dive in. Our Discord community is thriving. We are now at 3,719 members. If you're not a part of this dynamic group yet, come on over and join in on the discussions. And a quick shout out to our family over on social media. Your responses to our first NFT project question were fascinating. Follow us on Twitter to keep up with all the latest updates, blog posts, and of course, the occasional meme. This week on Powered by Pinata, let's shine the spotlight on Transient Labs. They're revolutionizing the Web3 space, offering creators and projects a platform to unleash the full potential of blockchain and smart contracts. With their no-code toolkit, creators can innovate beyond the norms, explore dynamic art, and gain valuable insights about their audience. Transient Labs is not just about building on the blockchain. They're about empowering creators to own their contracts and redefine the future of digital ownership. Regarding product releases, I am so excited to share with you guys what we have lined up for this year. We have been listening to your requests and we've been working hard to deliver. While I can't reveal too much yet, stay tuned for the announcements that I will be sharing here on Twitter and Discord, and trust me, you're gonna love it. For tips and tricks, let's dive in to our Web3 Hackathon Toolkit. Web3 hackathons are the breeding grounds for innovation and creativity under pressure. Remember, Pinata was born at ETH Berlin in 2018, and we haven't stopped hacking since. Our entries like Cosmic Cowboys and Swirl are testaments to the excitement and potential of these events. Speed and efficiency are key in hackathons, and choosing the right tools can make all the difference. We've put together a toolkit that's perfect for your next Web3 hackathon, combining speed, innovation, and ease of use. And with that, we wrap up our first weekly Whimsy of the year. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today. If you really resonated with what I spoke about, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. I would love for you to join our community. In the meantime, here's to a year full of happy pinning and curiosity. Bye, guys.